Let's talk about public cloud deployment model. In this model, the infrastructure or application is dedicated to multiple customers. Now, in terms of infrastructure, there is only one system and all the users will be sharing the same system, but they will have their own separate user IDs. Now, in this case, if we are using a trial system, then we can see the objects that were created by the other users in the system. But if a company go for paid, then the user is provided with a separate space. In terms of infrastructure or application management, these are managed by the cloud service providers, that is SAP in this case. The customer need not to worry about problems in the infrastructure or with application. It is the responsibility of cloud provider to handle this. The update cycle of the runtime environment or tools completely controlled by the cloud provider. They will be completely responsible for providing up-to-date tools. In case of public cloud model, the modification in the system is not possible. Any type of change in the existing functionality is not allowed. For example, if a cloud provider is providing you Eclipse in the cloud environment for the development, then you cannot change the source code of that Eclipse tool. The configuration in terms of public cloud model is highly standardized. Now, what does this standardized means? It means that there are some set of rules that needs to be followed if someone wants to configure the system. It is not like source code enhancement in SAP system. We will see this in more details in later videos. Now, the question is why would a company go for public cloud model? The public cloud model provides a lot of features like machine learning, artificial intelligence, or Internet of Things at a very low cost. Any company can rent some space in the public cloud for these tools and can start developing proof of concepts on top of it. The example of public cloud is ABAP on cloud. We will see how to configure ABAP on cloud on SAP Cloud Platform's public cloud model. When we are done with the configuration of an ABAP on cloud, then you will notice that there are development objects of other users available in the system who are using it. The another example of public cloud model is deploying your own Java applications or SAP UI5 application in SAP Cloud Platform.